What's up, everybody, and welcome to World of Aromas. I'm Cheyenne, and if you don't remember me, then just scroll a few videos back and you'll see me just with different hair. But I come here at World of Aromas all the time, and this time we're going over one of my other favorite products. This is the NUD Oil Body Butter Cream, and it is perfect for this winter. Really good for any time, but especially in the winter when you're feeling extra dry and need that extra moisture. So my favorite thing about it is that it has Argan Oil, Jojoba Oil, vitamin E, and Shea Butter. So it really has all the things you need to feel extra hydrated this season. So I wanted to show you a little bit of how it looks like, the texture. You can see it looks so soft and creamy, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of how it looks on my skin when I put it on. It already smells so good, which is crazy. So I'm just gonna... And as you can tell, I look so moisturized, and it's not sticky at all. There's no residual grease or anything like that. It's just soft and nice and pleasant. And even without adding a scent, it has a nice kind of natural scent to it, so it doesn't feel too overwhelming when you put it on.